process started on the 2nd of May when the course closed. Basically, we dug out the existing greens that were there, all got dug out, and then the process of putting drainage, gravel layer and sand took place right up to June the 13th, when we had our sprigs flown in from Georgia in the USA, and we put them down, and now we're at a point near enough 3 months later, we got full coverage on the greens and happy with the position we're in. Well, what we've done is we've actually extended the greens so they're a lot bigger. This will help us with wear, will help us with pin positions, but also having the drainage is a huge thing, because we've never had drainage before. And we do have an issue at this part of the world where we have high salt, and we want to get that water out of the system of the greens. And now with the drainage in place, we're able to do that, and we're able to sustain the quality of the greens that we should be. The Majilis is it's iconic within the Middle East, but it's also iconic within the world. And being able to do this project and getting people to come to experience that special feeling of playing the Majilis, I think that will definitely come back. And having these greens and having pin positions and sizes and so forth, I think it's going to be like a new experience. It's like we're starting all over again. The golf course maintenance team have been working so hard, and it's really good to present it to people and show the fruits of our labour. I'm really looking forward to the feedback from not just the members, but also the pros when they come for the Desert Classic in January.